Forget everything you knew about the Google Pixel Fold. The new deep breath Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold shares perhaps one thing with its predecessor, the fold in the name, and that is for the better. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold renders the original Fold a prototype at best. The aspect ratio that didn't work for some popular apps like Instagram, two large black bezel around the main screen, and the phone's inability to lie completely flat when unfolded are mercifully gone. Google's new Fold is taller, much thinner, and noticeably lighter than its first attempt. Where the Pixel Fold reminded me, and not necessarily in a good way, of Microsoft's failed Duo device, the new Pixel 9 Pro Fold reminds me of a flagship Pixel 8. In fact, the 6.3-inch cover screen is a duplicate of the one you'll find on the new Google Pixel 9. It's not just the screen folded and turned on its side. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is just 2mm thicker than the Pixel 9. Unfolded, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is 5.1mm thick, which matches the iPad Pro 13 inches thickness and beats the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 by 0.5mm. It weighs just 257 grams, which is 27 grams less than the Pixel Fold. If there is one compromise with that lovely touch and hold frame, it's that you lose a little bit of battery, with the capacity reduced from the Pixel Fold's 4727 mAh to 4650 mAh. I won't know the impact of that loss until I have tested the Pixel 9 Pro Fold over an extended period. The buttons are all clean, brushed aluminum, and the power buttons also houses a fingerprint reader. The mobile phone now also supports unlocking with facial recognition. Face unlock was unavailable on the original Google Pixel Fold. The name of this phone might seem long and less than memorable, but I think it's accurate. This is a folding premium or pro phone. Instead of standing apart from all the Pixel 9 phones, the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold fits in well with the rest of the lineup. Overall, this is a redo done right job. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold looks like a regular smartphone when closed and opens into a mini tablet. The screens are sharp and bright and appear responsive. The cameras are decent if not groundbreaking, but as an overall dual-purpose package with a lot of baked-in AI, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will, even at $1,799 probably appeal to a lot of would-be foldable phone buyers who should keep an eye out for trade-ins and other deals that will lower the price barrier to entry. I would not be surprised if it ends up near the top of our best foldables list.